What is an automated coffee maker?
Automated coffee makers are machines designed to simplify the brewing process while maximizing flavor and convenience. Using built-in technology, these devices can prepare coffee with minimal effort from the user. From grinding beans to delivering perfectly heated water, automated coffee makers do the work behind the scenes, making high-quality coffee accessible at home or in the office.
The brewing process, step by step.
When you start an automated coffee maker, it carries out each brewing step with precision. The machine grinds coffee beans or measures grounds, heats water to the ideal temperature, and pours it over the grounds. Sensors and timers ensure that water flows at the right speed, allowing for the proper extraction of flavors before dispensing your finished cup.
Customizing your brew.
The customization features let users control brew strength, cup size, and temperature. Advanced models offer adjustable settings for grind coarseness, water-to-coffee ratio, and brewing time. Many machines store user preferences, making it easy to enjoy your perfect cup every day with just the push of a button or tap on a smartphone app.
Scheduling and smart integration.
Automated coffee makers often include scheduling capabilities, letting you set a time for your coffee to brew in advance. Some integrate with smart home systems or mobile devices, allowing you to start brewing from anywhere. This means you can wake up or return home to freshly made coffee with no waiting required.
Maintenance alerts and care.
To ensure longevity and great taste, these machines use sensors to track usage and alert you when maintenance is needed. Notifications may cover descaling, water refills, or emptying grounds. Routine care, prompted by these reminders, helps the coffee maker perform at its best and keeps every cup tasting fresh.